Hello, so this is part 2 of Nimble Network. If you haven't seen part 1, so I would request you to go and watch part 1 first on how to create a CLI wallet for Nimble Network. In this video, I would be showing you how to create a SSH ID and how to rent GPU from Clore.ai. You find it very confusing, you can just pause and repeat the video and watch it again. So first of all, we need to go to Clore.ai and you need to create your account. So you can create a new account if you are using it for the first time. So what exactly is Clore.ai is a marketplace where you can rent a GPU and on a price depending upon what specifications you are looking for. So for mining Nimble Network, I would suggest that you go to the marketplace 4090. So what I see is the price has increased substantially. It was initially around 15 to 20 Clore per day, and the price of Clore has also increased a bit because of the demand of GPUs. You need to also need to check the rating of the previous user. So if someone has rented this GPU RTX 4090 but the rating is low and he is asking for 27 Clore per day, what you need to do is you have to create your account and you need to fund your wallet. So you can fund with Bitcoin or you can fund with Clore tokens. So Clore tokens you can find on different exchanges like MXC, and it is a low fees blockchain, so the withdrawal fees is not very high. I would suggest that deposit a minimum of 100 Clore tokens. That would cost you around $20 only, and then you can start mining. Have your own GPU, which is should be minimum a 1390. I would create a separate video on that if you wish that you want to mine on your own GPU. That would be a separate video because a different configuration would be required. In this video, I would be covering how to rent a GPU from the marketplace and how you can start mining on that GPU. How much I would be spending every day to mine these tokens. So on an average, I funded my wallet with 100 Clore tokens. So I've spent almost 32 Clore tokens, and I've mined 48 Nimble tokens. So I will come to the calculations towards the end, because how much I'm spending per day is around $5 to $6, and how much potential earning would be there is depends upon how many people are mining, because the more and more people start mining this token, we'll be getting less and less rewards per day. But as if now I'm mining around 45 to 50 tokens per day, and I'm expecting a price of between $1 and $2 at the time of listing, because initially only the pre-mined tokens will be listed, but gradually as more and more people mine the coins, the price will go down. So we need to mine as many tokens as we can before listing on exchange. I would suggest that you deposit a minimum of 100 Clore tokens, and you can generate your address from here. If you wish to use my referral code for Clore AI, I will paste it in the description, and you can use my referral code. Maybe you'll get some discount. Your wallet is funded on Clore.ai. We need to create a SSH ID. Okay, so for that you just need to click on search and go to the command line interface. Just type cmd, and we need to enter a key over here exactly as I have typed in over here. I will paste it in the description also. So what is this? This is a passport. So my PC can interact with the GPU I am renting on marketplace. So both can interact with my GPU. Should know exactly with which laptop or desktop I am interacting with. How you are going to find that key is you just have to go to my computer. You go to my PC and you go to users. You go to this PC and then you go to the local disk and then you go to users and you go to the user account, whichever user account you are using. I mean, I'm using Dell, and you need to look for this SSH folder. Once you find the SSH folder, you will find two keys over here. So first one is the which says file is your private key. So you don't have to touch it, and you also have to keep a backup of this private key. And second one is your public key. So this is the key which you have to open and copy. Just open it and just copy this key. Starting with SSH and ends with this ID, and you just copy it over here. Now we go to clore.ai, and here you see it says add a key. Just click over here and you just need to add that key which we have just pasted over here. So I've already added a key previously, so I won't be adding this one. So because if you're doing it for the very first time, just need to save it. So now this your Clore AI account knows that you are interacting with which machine, and make sure that this GPU count is on 1, because we will be only renting one GPU at a time, and GP VRAM should be 2 GB, and machine RAM should be minimum on 16 GB. And currency, in my case I'm selecting Core. If you are funding your account with Bitcoin, you can select Bitcoin also. And a GPU I'm selecting 1490, because as I said, more and more people start mining this token, so the difficulty level will increase, and the profitability will also decrease. So it's always better to rent the top end high end GPU only. So as I said that this one has a low rating of 1.55, and this the second option I have is also has a low rating, but it's asking for a 30 Clore per day, and this one has 2.4 rating. This is also on a 30 Clore per day, but reliability is 99, and it has 437 GB of disk space. Internet speed is good on this one, so I will go with this one. So 30 Clore per day is approximately if I open on CoinGecko, so it is 18 cents per token, and 30 coins will cost me $5.4 for one day. Okay, so the price has increased, as I said, because of the demand of the GPUs on the marketplace. So but anyways, and once you in this screen, you don't have to look all the options, just select this one, PyTorch, and click on select, and is asking for a creation fees of 0.75 Clore and 1 minute of rental. Just click on create. Now you see that in my orders the image status says deploying, processing the request, and it will take about 4 to 5 minutes to change from deploying to deployed. Once you see deployed, That means you have rented the GPU and you can start mining the coins. So in the meanwhile, you can take a short break and I'll pause the video over here. So now we can see the image status has changed from deploying to deployed, and it took about 5 minutes. So after that, we need to click on this link, HTTP, and it will open a new terminal. And we need to select the first option, Jupyter Labs. So once you open Jupyter Labs, you will see a terminal like this, and we need to select the third option, which says terminal. So now this looks quite familiar, because this has opened Ubuntu, but this is on a remote computer. This is actually on the Clore server, and this is your GPU which you have rented, 4090. If you want to see the logs, you can see the logs from here, and we can install. I'll share the link of this GitHub page, and we'll start with the very first command. So you just need to ignore this, the one which starts with the hash, and so start with line number 5. It says sudo apt update, and this what it's going to do. It is going to install tmux, but don't get confused that we have already installed tmux. We installed tmux on our own system. Now we are going to install tmux on the cloud computer. We are going to copy till here. So all the commands between this hash and this hash. So copy this command and paste it in the terminal. Allow, and it's going to update. Now let's go to the next command, which says sudo apt install python. Copy it and install, paste, and enter. Okay, so this is also done. Now we need to install the third command, which is mkdir. Starts from here and till this public. Okay, and let's go back to the terminal and paste it, and it's updating our GPU. Okay, over here you just need to hit enter. Okay, back to the terminal. Now next command, single line command, sudo requirements, paste. Okay, this is also done. Now the next command is this, the full batch from echo till this requirements.txt. Copy, paste, hit enter. Okay, this is also done. Easy. Okay, now this one is going to take a bit of time. Git pull and make install. So what is going to do? It's going to if a previous version is installed, it's going to remove it, and it's going to install a new version. So this command takes a lot of time. So make install, and let's hit enter. So this will take about 10 minutes to do the complete installation. So we can take a break in the meanwhile. So now we are back to the terminal and we'll continue with the Clore script. Okay, so we have completed git pull and make install. Now we'll continue with the next command, which is pip uninstall and pip install. Paste and enter. Okay, it's done. Now two more commands remaining. Next is to activate the miner. So click on activate and paste and activate. Okay, so miner is activated. Okay, now this is very important command which you need to look very carefully. Just copy it, and this is the command in which you need to paste your secondary address. So we go back to our terminal or WordPad, and I paste this command over here, and you need to replace it with your second address. So I come over here, and this was the first address, and after the line this is my second address which I created. So I just need to copy it and paste it over here. Paste. So just make sure that there should be no gap after equals to, and towards the end it should have this colon. Okay, so if you want to double check it, it starts with a nimble and 660R. Paste and enter. Okay, nothing happens. So there's one more command which we need to run, make run. Just need to copy it and paste, and in the wallet address you need to paste your wallet address. So this is the wallet address. Copy and paste. Okay, so just copy it over here and paste it in the terminal. So finally, if everything goes as planned and you did all the commands correct, and provided your wallet is approved in the Discord server, you should start mining, and the screen should look like this. If there is any error or some of the commands are not working correctly, or all the softwares are not installed which are minimum required by the system, you would see some errors in red. So the most easiest way to find out if your wallet is approved or not is just go to Discord and go to the miner tools, and from miner tools go to balance checker. Now from balance checker, paste it over here and check balance. So I have mined 48 Nimble tokens till now in one day, and what I'm expecting is a price of between $1 and $2. Can be more also, because initially only the pre-mined tokens will be in circulation, and so let's keep our fingers crossed. And if you find any technical difficulty, you can connect with me on Telegram and send me a message. I'll try my best to help you out.